Guys, welcome back to a new video. Obviously you know by the title and what this is going to contain. Now I just want to give you a quick explanation why this wasn't any earlier than it normally is. Originally I wasn't actually going to get this box this month, just because I didn't have the money, but they took the money anyways and it came this morning. So my cat's about to go past the camera, excuse me. So yeah, this is July's glossy box. So I'm just going to open this. So that is it inside there, and it is pink as usual. So I am going to go in this blind. So let's have a look. Oh, sneak peeks of August is a Huda Beauty product. I'm looking forward to that. It just says glossy credits, and it's the holiday haul. So I take it's everything to do with going on holiday. So as you can see, Polly, sorry, that was my cat. So that is the inside. So I am just going to open it. So first of all, what I've got is I have been looking for a face mask, to be honest. It's a Beats Tea Tree Witch Hazel with active charcoal. It's an intense deep cleanse facial mask. It says warnings: avoid contact with eyes as usual. If product gets into your eyes, rinse the eyes well with water. Keep out the reach of children. Do not apply to irritated or broken skin. Colour may vary due to natural ingredients. So it says the intense deep cleansing facial mask contains antibacterial tea tree oil and calming witch hazel in conjunction and activated charcoal to keep your skin clear and healthy by. The powder of the charcoal removes dirt, sebum and impurities deep down into the pores. Rebalances oil to leave skin clear and purified with silky touch to use. Smooth an even layer over the mask of the mask on your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave for 15 minutes and then you rinse off. I am not going to go into the ingredients. You will have to check out the ingredients just in case you're allergic to it, and I am not responsible for anything, any reactions or anything what this product gives you. So yeah, that is the first one. Looking forward to trying that. I don't know what I'm looking at. This is a mascara, and it's all comes all packaged. I've never heard of this brand before, so I will have to try this out. Funky packaging though, I'll give them that. And then this is a cleansing foam. I don't know what this does, but I will tell you afterwards. This is a cleansing foam. And it's a 30 ml. And this is what I've been looking forward to the most, I think, the Moroccan oil. I actually have a big one on top of my fireplace, but that must be out of date by now. So this is the thing I've been looking forward to the most. I must say, this is the only thing that the box has going for it this month, I must say. That's why I wasn't really going to get it, because it was a bit disappointing, I think. But anyways, yeah, this is the Moroccan oil. Says put it to your damp hair, to the ends and all that, or to your hair, and then dry your hair. It will leave it soft, I suppose. But it says avoid contact with eyes for external use only. So that is that. And then the last product is this Palmer's Coconut Formula Natural Bronze Body Lotion. I will have to try that. And if I don't, I might just give it away to my mum. And then the rest is that. So let's go into this. Oh, with the face mask, you could have received the peel off mask, which I do like peel off masks more than I actually do these. But hey ho. And the cleansing foam, the travel size cleanser is a holiday must have. Curing the system to harness the curing powers of Budapest famous spas. The cleanser not only removes makeup and impurities, but it energizes and revitalizes your skin. Perfect for a day spent out in the sun. So the travel size, the 30 ml that I've got is worth £18. The full size is 150, and that's £52. You could have received this one of that one, and it says even if you're jetting off somewhere sunny, you can still flaunt your natural looking sun-kissed glow. Easy to use and deeply moisturising. Gradual tanners. Simply add your lotion once a day. Remember to wash your hands. Excuse me a minute. Wash your hands after applying it. It will gradually build a tan after a few days. So this travel size worth is £2.49, and a full size of 250 is £6. It says shop at boots.com/brands/Palmer's. So that's how you can get that one. And the mascara, I think, is obviously a full size. When you've got a gorgeous gold tan, sometimes the only makeup you need is a touch of mascara to make your eyes pop. Boasting a cutting edge wand with ultra dense bristles, this mascara will give you longer and fuller looking lashes. Better yet, its hydrating formula ensures a clump and flake free finish. And their website is that. So it just says about and the Moroccan oil. This is a travel size. It's worth £13.45, and the full size is £31.85. And it says, hi glossies, July is all about summer vibes. Whether you're soaking up the British sun or jetting off on your jollies, our holiday haul edit has all your beauty needs covered. We've filled our iconic pink box with 5 holiday essentials, including a multi-purpose hair oil, a luxurious cleanser, and a hydrating self tanner. Simply slip these travel-friendly products into your suitcase and take them with you on your summer adventures. This month, we've also hidden 20 tickets in our July's boxes. If you find one, you'll be a lucky winner of either fig leaves or skinny dip voucher worth £50. Good luck. So no, I didn't win a voucher. All I got was the normal Ocado stuff. And that's it really. August, it's looking okay. So that is worth a buy. So yeah, and it advertises look fantastic. So yeah guys, that is July's glossy box, and I will be back with another glossy box obviously in August. But in the meantime, just keep a lookout for my uploads. Simply subscribe, like and comment, and please share with your friends. My previous video will be, previous glossy box will be at the side and my face will be down there. So you can simply click on my face and subscribe. So I will see you guys later.